5 years ago, I was grinding a 9 to 5 job, saving a few $100 a month. Is this what life is supposed to be? Fast forward to today, I'm generating consistent income every month from my investments, managing my own portfolio, and I have more freedom than I ever imagined. And it all started with learning one skill: option trading. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and here I talk about investing strategies, personal finance, and building wealth the smart way. In this video, I'm going to share exactly how option trading changed my financial life, from my first nervous trade to building a portfolio that now works for me 24/7. I will share the mistakes, the lesson, and some tips you can apply today. Let me take you back to before I even know what a call or a put was. I was a typical retail investor. I will buy shares of company I like, tech stock, some blue chips, and I'll hold them hoping they'll go up. Sure, my portfolio grew during bull market, but the pace was painfully slow. There were months I see almost no changes, and when market dropped, I feel powerless. I remember staring at my brokerage account thinking there's got to be a better way to make money work harder. But I didn't want to gamble. I wanted something consistent, something I could control. Let me take you back to the very beginning of my investing journey. When I first started, I wanted quick, easy profits, no patience, just fast gains. So I went straight into trading AMC, the big meme stock at the time. I was doing 1 minute buy and sell trades, thinking I was being smart and ride the hype. And at first, it actually went pretty well. I was making small wins, feeling confident, and thinking, wow, this is easy. But here's the problem: I got greedy, I took bigger risks, make impulsive trades. If you are looking for a broker to start investing, check out Tiger Broker Singapore. They are user friendly, offer responsive customer service, and make the trading journey much smoother, especially if you are just getting started. And here's a bonus. If you use my referral link and deposit at least 1000 USD and complete just one buy trade, you'll receive USD $5 worth of Tesla stock. This is a brokerage that have simple steps, quick rewards, and a great platform. You will find my referral link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. Tiger Broker is currently running a SG60 campaign with SGX. Enjoy no custodian fees, zero commission for SGX listed securities. SGX CDP custodian fees for Tiger Broker is waived until further notice. No additional action required. This is a 3 months campaign, 23rd of July to 17th October, designed to reward both consistent trader and top performer. Trade SGX listed security during the campaign period to climb the leaderboard, and their prizes worth SG60 to SG 3800. And before I knew it, I was staring at an 8,000 loss. I couldn't even describe how crashed I felt. Sad, frustrated, and honestly disappointed in myself. I started doubting investing entirely. I even thought the whole thing was just a scam, that maybe it's impossible for normal people like us to actually win in the market. But deep down, I knew I couldn't give up. I just needed to find a better way, something more sustainable than buying and hoping a stock would go up. I needed a strategy where I could generate income without relying on pure luck. From then, I committed to learning. I explored cash secure put, which is basically getting paid to agree to buy a stock at a price I'm happy with. I discovered the real strategy where you combine both puts and covered call to create a continuous cycle of income. And slowly, I increased my trade size. I went from earning 50 a week to 200, then 500, and eventually more than 1000 in some months. But it wasn't just about the money. My mindset completely shifted. I stopped trying to predict where the market would go and started focusing on strategies that work in any market condition. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. I made mistake. I sell call too close to the money and lost out on big upside run. I sell put on stocks that ended up dropping way below my strike price. The biggest lesson: risk management is everything. Option Trading can be powerful, but if you over leverage or chase high premium without understanding the risk, you can get burned fast. I also learned the importance of patience. Not every week will be a great win. The real magic happens when you focus on consistency, steady income over time. Here's a tip for beginner. Start with stock you actually want to own, even if assigned. That way, if a trade goes against you, you still hold quality assets. Today, option trading covers a huge portion of my monthly expenses. I don't have to stress about every market dip because my strategies are designed to generate cash flow no matter what. I've been able to save more, invest more, and even have the freedom to take time off work when I want. I can spend more time with my family, travel, and focus on projects I'm passionate about. It's not about quitting my job and sitting on a beach every day. It's about having control and choices. If you are thinking about getting into option, here's what I'll recommend. Learn the basic first, call, put, strike price or expiration. Start small, one contract at a time. Focus on quality stocks. Avoid the temptations of penny stocks or highly volatile names. Always have a plan. Know your exit strategy before you enter the trade. Track your results so you can see what works and what doesn't. Option trading changed my life because it gave me control over my money, my time, and my future. And if you approach it with the right mindset, it can do the same for you. If you get value from this video, do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and leave a comment telling me your biggest question about option trading. I'll be sharing more strategies, trading examples, and tips to help you build your own income machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.